Welcome to MojisStyle Club.
Hi everyone, and welcome back. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful wall art here. Here's my inspiration here. This is from Lamp Plus, and I was inspired by this and I wanted to create my own version of it. And to do this, I'll be using this inexpensive outdoor screen panel. So if you want to see how I created mine, just keep watching. So here are the stores that you can purchase this panel from. I got mine from Home Depot. And I also got a very inexpensive plywood from Home Depot to fit the back of my panel. And they graciously cut that plywood to fit perfectly behind my panel. Thank you, Home Depot. So here it is here. You can actually leave it white, but I wanted to spray paint mine silver to match my decor. So I'm using this metallic spray paint here in silver to spray my panel. So I did 2 coats of this silver spray paint, and I let that dry. And then I went over that with this glitter silver paint here, also from Rhinestone. And I also let that dry. The next step is to add this mirror contact paper onto the wood. I have already done this before in a previous video, so I'll link that up here if you want to see how that is done. So that contact paper will be placed on this wood that we got from Home Depot. So here it is. The next step is to apply E6000 onto the back of the panel, and that will be placed on the wood. And I did that, and I let that dry for about 24 hours. The next step is optional. I decided to add this rhinestone onto my decor. So to do this, I'll be using hot glue. So I applied hot glue onto the back, and I just kind of positioned it where I wanted it positioned. And here is the final result of this DIY here. I really love the way this turned out, and it really goes well with my style. This is so beautiful. I am so happy with the way this turned out. We made our version for a fraction of the cost of what it did it's going for on Lamp Plus. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you will paint yours silver. Would you paint yours gold? Would you leave it white? Let's get the conversation going down in the comment section. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, I'd love you to join the MojisStyle family by hitting that subscribe button. And until next time, you guys have a blessed week. Love you all. Bye-bye.